Welcome to Next Level English. Today, you'll hear an inspiring story about the man who almost gave up but didn't. To learn English, follow his journey as he improves his English step by listening and reading one story every day. If you want to boost your English skills and stay motivated, this story is for you. Grab your notebook, listen carefully, and let's get started. Part 1: A Silent Dream. David sat alone in his small room. A fan turned slowly above his head. The town was quiet. The world was moving. But inside David, something was stuck. He wanted to grow. He wanted to rise. But one thing stopped him every day: English. He had dreams, big ones. He wanted to work in a better place, speak with confidence, talk to people from around the world. But whenever someone spoke English, David froze. His heart beat fast. His mouth stayed closed. He felt like a prisoner, not of the world, but of himself. Part 2: The Decision. One day, David stood in front of a mirror. He looked into his own eyes, and he whispered, "This is enough. No more fear. No more excuses. I will learn English. I will change my life." He bought a second-hand book. He wrote the alphabet again like a schoolboy. He listened to English videos, not understanding, but not giving up. Every day he sat and tried. Sometimes he smiled, sometimes he cried, but he kept going. Part 3: The Pain of the Climb. Weeks passed, then months, and still he was slow. Still he made mistakes. People laughed. "You're too old. You'll never learn. Why try now?" And for a moment, David believed them. He closed his book. He turned off his phone. He looked down at the floor and said, maybe this is not for me." He felt broken, weak, small. But then, something rose inside him. A fire, a voice, a fight. He looked up and shouted to himself, "No, I am not weak. I am not done. I have a right to learn, a right to grow, a right to speak." Part 4: The Comeback. From that day, David changed. He stopped learning just to learn. He started learning to live. He practiced every day. 5 words, 5 sentences, 5 minutes of courage. He recorded his voice. He made mistakes. He laughed at them. He stood in front of the mirror, raised his hand, and said out loud, "I will speak English. I will make it happen. I will take my English to the next level because I deserve a better life." No teacher, no classroom, just a warrior with a notebook and a dream. Part 5: The Rise of David. 1 year later, a foreign customer walked into his shop. She spoke English, fast, fluent. David smiled. And this time, he replied, clearly, confidently, like a new man. The customer said, "Your English is amazing. Where did you learn?" He looked at her and said just one word: persistence. Part 6: The Message to You. If you're listening right now, and you feel like giving up, if you think English is too hard, if your heart is heavy, if your mind says you can't, then remember this: you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Your future does not need permission. David started with fear, but with fire, and so can you. So stand up, pick up your notebook, speak one sentence today, then another tomorrow, and say it with me now. I will not stop. I will not give up. I will take my English to the next level. Because your dreams are not far. They are waiting for you on the other side of persistence.
Let's review. Practice out loud, listen daily, and record yourself. Start with just 5 minutes a day, and you'll see real improvement. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, every small step you take brings you to the next level.
Thank you.